What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we are looking into something which is very important for the parties. And if you're like me hosting a New Year's Eve party, you need this beast. A mid-range party speaker by Sony. I have already taken the liberty of unboxing. And here we have Sony Extra Bass GTK XB5 party Bluetooth speaker, where in the front of the speaker you have two left and right channel line drivers as well as the tweeter. Also in the front of the speaker we have a party LED lights along with the strobe light and a fantastic mesh to cover up your Bluetooth speakers. Now this party Bluetooth speaker is not really a splash proof or anything like that, so you have to make sure that you don't get it to the pool parties or anything like that. Come with the handles which will help you to nicely handle this Bluetooth speaker and carry it around. It weighs about 8 kilos, will be around 15 pounds I suppose. You can place this party speaker vertically or horizontal if you want to. In both cases it's going to work great. When a speaker is placed vertically, you can also place him both sides if you want to. Both sides come with the anti-slip pads which will help you for not to slip around when it's pounding fantastic bass. Now all the buttons to control this Bluetooth speaker are available on the top, starting with the power on and off, light mode changing and on and off, multifunctional pairing button, status indicator lights, as well as adding this Bluetooth speaker in a party chain options too. Here it also specify what channel is it playing when it's connected in a party mode and in normal cases too. There is also one single touch button for extra bass as well as the volume control. Now speaker is also NFC enabled, so if you have a mobile phone with the NFC available in there, you can just tap on top of it and that will be all in terms of pairing process. The speaker does not come with the internal batteries, so you have to apply the power, and power port is available on the back of it. And it is not necessary that you can only chain this Bluetooth speaker with the Sony speaker. You can use any speaker and chain using the audio in and out feature in the back, which I am sure will work great. I have not tried myself. Now also on the back of a speaker you have a tunnel to pound the whole bass out of this Bluetooth speaker. I don't really know what term they use for this one. If someone knows that, please enlighten me in the comment section down below. Well, now let's go ahead with the performance test. Now whenever you power up your Bluetooth speaker first time, even though it's not powered up kind of like powered up from the top, you're going to see these lights coming onto it. Now let me go ahead. Now pairing this speaker with your mobile phone is a very easy and straightforward. Simply power it on. You will straight away get the notification on your mobile phone like the way I have got it. Simply select it and pair it. That's how easy and straightforward it is. And once you're successfully paired, you're going to see the status indicator light for the Bluetooth going solid as well. You also have a status indicator light for the power and so much more around it. Let me go ahead and play some royalty-free music from YouTube. Now, the reason I'm playing royalty-free music that I do not want it to get any copyright strike from YouTube. You also get very settled bass at the low volumes too. You can also control the lighting on Bluetooth speaker as well using the Sony Media application, can easily be installed from the Google Play Store by searching for Song Poll application. Using this application, you can control many things on your GTK XB5 Bluetooth speaker, where you have a library audio input selection. When you change it, you can go for it, or you can add the application which you use for the music in here. Now by going into the settings, you will have an access towards the sound equalizer settings as well as the illumination, which is to do with the lights. Now if I go into the sound, I have got an option for extra bass selected, or you can have a DJ effect if you want to. And here you can select how you want them, or you can pre-select the echoes right in the list in here, that what type of music you would like to play: rock, pop, EDM, country, jazz, whatever you like. Then you have illumination part. In here, you can select the way you want the lights to be. If I click onto the strobe, now whenever I play the music, the strobe action will happen. Let's go for a hot. Now with this party Bluetooth speaker, you also get some extra leaflet which will help you how to install the app to control this Bluetooth speaker lights and equalizer function, and one operating instruction manual which will help you to do the get start, Bluetooth, sound adjustment and other operations you would like to perform. Now it is hard to tell the performance of a Bluetooth speaker playing royalty-free music, but you will roughly get an idea, to be honest with you. So far so good. Speaker head performs way better than my expectation, and I would highly recommend it, to be honest with you. Well, I'll be using this speaker over the parties, and if you would like to know more about it, do let me know in the comment section down below as well. I would be happy to help anything I could possibly do. That would be all from my side. Thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.